Hi, this is Sandra. Today I'm going to show you how to wear a scarf. One scarf, a lot of different ways. I've always been fascinated by old things. I try to imagine what it would be like to live in such grandeur, being able to sit on your front porch and laugh and sing and drink mint juleps. That was long ago, and a life that is no more. Hello, this is Sandra Hart. Thank you and welcome again. And if you are a woman who is 30 and beyond, way into her 80s, if you are interested in living the very best life ever, then I sure like to have you join me on this journey that we are all taking. Today, I have had a lot of my subscribers ask me how to tie scarves. You know, I love scarves and I wear scarves a lot lately in my videos. I've had a renewed love of scarves. I really like them so much. So today I'm going to show you a few ways of how you can wear one simple scarf. So I hope you'll stay with me. All right, here I am with my scarf. I'm going to fold it over with the ends tucked in the center. Then I fold it over again until I get one long strip of scarf. All right, now toward the end, leaving a lot of scarf end, I'm tying a knot. And then I'm going to put it around my neck, and I'm almost going to make a little loop or a bow on the other end, like a half a bow, a little loop. Then I'm going to stick that loop through the knot that I made on the other side and pull it through loosely. And then I'll adjust it. Then I'll take that loop and then I'll fan it out until it looks like just one half of a bow. It's really a very nice way to wear your scarf. Very easy and gives a nice side accent when you're wearing a scarf. I'm going to take the same scarf and I'm going to just fold it over and loop it. One goes under the other, bring it up over the top, and just loop it over, just like you were going to be wearing an ascot, perhaps, in an ascot. Try to get the bottom fold under the top so that it's just one single ascot. And you can wear that even if you wear a shirt. You can tuck the ends in and make it an ascot looking, but I like it hanging down. All right, we have the same scarf. I'm going to tie it, and I'm going to actually make a bow, a big fat nice pretty bow. I'm going to fluff out the ends. Isn't that pretty? And if you want to, you can put it on the side to give a different type of look so that it's on your shoulder. It's always a very dramatic when you're wearing a very plain dress or top. All right, I'm going to pretend that I am wearing a man's tie. I'm going to loop it around twice, bring it up and over, and then I'm going to stick it down into the loops that I have made. Going to pull it up a little tight with that knot at the top and then straighten out the ends a little bit. It gives a soft way to wear it around your neck, and if you want something different, just throw one end over the shoulder and let the other end hang down. That gives it more of a dramatic look. Here's the same scarf, and I'm going to find the middle. And in the middle, I am going to tie a knot right in the center of the scarf. I'm going to position that knot in the front, and I'm going to wrap it around, tie it in the back so that it's secure, just one loop in the back. Then I'm going to bring the ends around the front, put a square knot there. Then I am going to tuck that square knot and the ends that are left under the sides where the knot is. Okay, I've got to tuck that under, okay. And you can't really tell in video, but when you see it in person, it's very dramatic. You've got this wonderful loop knot in the front of the scarf, and it acts like a choker. Scarves are just great accent pieces. You can have a plain outfit or a shirt and dress it up and give it all kinds of looks with the scarf. Here I have the scarf, and now I am going to fold the scarf into a triangle shape. Then I'm going to throw it over my shoulders. Just fold it over with a square knot and drape it over my shoulders, giving it a cape-like effect. And if you want something different, you put the knot on your shoulder and let the front corner hang down. And if you really want to be different, you can take that and pull it down a bit, and you have a nice necklace type scarf. It drapes all the way down the front of your outfit. It's very nice, especially if you have a colorful scarf. It can add a great accent to your outfit. All right, now, twisty. We're twisting this folded scarf into a rope type shape. Wrap it around your neck, loop it once, and you're going to make another bow. But this time, you are going to have a twisted neck ring with the bow accent. But because it's twisted, it makes it smaller, and it combines the colors. And if you want to wear it in the back, if you have short hair, then your accent bow is in the back. You can wear it on the side, in the front, or on the back, in the back. It's very soft and nice. Reminds me of the bow blouses that they would have, used to have, I think, in the 70s or 80s. I just love scarves. Very pretty. I'm going to take the same scarf and again put it into a triangle. This time I'm going to throw it over my head, and we are going to do an Audrey Hepburn look, 1940s and 50s, even a Jackie O look. because once I tie it in the knot in the back and I see that it's secure, I'm going to grab my sunglasses, and we're going to have a great Audrey or Jackie O moment. Great for when you are out in a boat, when it's raining, when you are having a bad hair day. You can run about and no one will know what's under that scarf. I'm going to keep the scarf on my head, and now we're going to do a little boho. I'm going to tie the scarf in the back and secure it and wear it gypsy style, boho style. Again, a great way to protect your hair, or if you have to go out during the day and your hair is not cooperating, it's a good way to have a nice stylish look. Remnants of garbo, and you are ready to go out. All right, I'm going to twist my scarf again into a rope. You can twist it as much as you like to get it as tight as you want, to make it as small as you want. I'm going to tie it again in the back and bring it to the front and do a square knot again. But instead of tucking those ends under, what I am going to do is I'm going to flare out those colorful ends of the scarf. Voila, a different look. And you can also twist that and put it on the side if you like. Again, I have the scarf in a triangle, draped over my shoulders. But if you feel like you want a little something else, you can flip the one end over and hang it like that on the side. All right, we're going to take the same scarf and I'm going to wrap it around as though I were tying a man's tie. Twice, wrap it around twice. I have to be sure to get it even. All right, here we go again. I'm going to slip it through, tuck it under the two wraps that I've done there. And instead of making it straight like a tie, I'm going to loosen it and let the ends flare and show color. Don't forget to do something really great for yourself today. Be kind to whomever crosses your path. And don't forget to share the love. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.